Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today we will be starting a new chapter on LEED Green Associate exam on sustainable sites. So without any further delays, we can move on to our presentation. According to US Forest Service, between 1982 and 2001, in the US alone, about 34 million acres of open spaces was lost due to development, approximately 4 acres per minute or 6,000 acres a day. With this rapid development came an increase in hardscape, which increased polluted rainwater runoff into natural water bodies, in turn increasing harm to aquatic species and ecosystem. The Sustainable Site Credit category of LEED version 4 was created to ensure that a project natural environment would be valued and respected throughout every steps of the building process, from planning to construction to management. Sustainable Site Credit rewards projects that acknowledge that buildings do not exist separately from the landscape on which they are built and that the environmental integrity of those landscapes should be preserved. Now let's look on to the scorecard for LEED version 4 for building design plus construction, new construction and major renovation. There are total 7 credits including 1 prerequisite, and total scores one can achieve through this category is 10 points. Now let's look on more detail on the prerequisite and credits on this category. As I mentioned, this is not a credit, this is a prerequisite, so it doesn't give any scores for the project. The intent is to reduce the pollution from the construction activity by controlling soil erosion, waterway sedimentation, and airborne dust. The requirement for these credits are: create and implement an erosion and sedimentation control plan for all the construction activities associated with the project. The plan must conform to the erosion and sedimentation requirement of the 2012 US Environmental Protection Agency EPA Construction General Permit, that is abbreviated as EGP, or any local equivalent, whichever is more stringent, and the project must apply to this construction general permit regardless of its sites. Nowadays, there are so many strategies are available to control erosion and sedimentation. Some of them are temporary or permanent seeding, mulching, earth dike, straw bales, silt fence, and erosion control blankets. That's the end of today's lecture. We will cover the remaining credits in this category tomorrow. Until then, goodbye. If you enjoyed the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.